So today I'm going to fit an external Bullfinch barbecue point in our motorhome. It's a Autosleepers Nuevo. For the job I've got a small set of benders which will bend 8 or 10mm diameter pipe, the length of 8mm diameter copper pipe, a length of 10mm pipe because my van is plumbed with 10mm but the Bullfinch needs 8. The barbecue connection point for the Bullfinch, a 10mm T, a 10mm to 8mm reducer, the Bullfinch itself, and I've now got to go off to Screwfix to get some yellow PTFE tape which you use for gas. Shikwi. Right, that's the yellow PTFE you're meant to use for gas. Screwfix only sold it in a roll, 10 rolls at once, so I need about 2 foot. Still some stock. Just next to the habitation door is where we're going to be fitting this point, so we now got to drill that scary hole. We are with the drill. Scary work. And that was short work. Stop. Right, so prying off a piece of fiberglass, I want to get to the insulation, which is just so the thickness of this is incredibly thin. Look. Okay, stop. So now drilling through the second skin of the that's that through. Let's fell down. Okay, stop. So we're through the motorhome, but now we've got the panel of the kitchen cupboard. So I'm going to drill in the centre of that and cut a hole further down for the gas pipe work. Drill 4 holes marked out, make sure the thing's square, put the rubber washers on, and then drill and fix this. That shall fit, and this is a temporary fix because the plumbing in is going to be tricky. So I've made up a little bend arrangement with a 10mm T piece, and then the bend, and then goes to the reducer down to 8mm to feed off the cooker supply into the barbecue. Looking a bit more, here's the copper junction I've made up. You can see that that top end was by Autosleepers with no PTFE on it. Interesting. Shikwi. So now using the pipe benders, I've bent the 8mm copper into that shape, which I've measured, left enough on the end here to ignore the other bits, which hopefully will connect in at the tap if I've got the bends right. Quite difficult, but perfectly doable. So here's the finished plumbing up. I had to do it like that, which is not ideal, but that's the only way I could get the bends and get the pipes in. But it's all there, checked out. There's no gas leaks. There was a slight one to start with, but I tested it, and now there isn't, so that's okay. We put a bit of carpet in the bottom just to stop it, things jiggling about, and we'll cover the pipes with something to protect them. So there we've got an isolating valve there, and the pipe goes through there. Could have been better, but it was really difficult to sort out. Although the fitting does come with a rubber seal, I'm not trusting it really, so I have masked up and just sealed around it. It's quite a good little unit. The thing just fits into there. The gas fitting, which is on the other end of the barbecue. Job finished. Took about 3.5 hours, I suppose, maybe 4.